Hello guys, thank you and welcome back to my channel. On today's recipe, I'm making an easy homemade buttermilk. Follow me as I share this recipe with you. So with this recipe, you're going to need just 2 ingredients. First is about 2 cups of milk. And second is an edible white vinegar, about 1/4 of the cup. So pour this in and allow to sit for about 5 minutes. Then you mix together to form a very slightly thick consistency. So now you want to pour that into an airtight container. So this can be preserved in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks while you use. You can use this for different recipes, for grilling chicken, for making bread, whatever you choose to do. So guys, thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to click the like button, also share your comments and share this, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you.